Friends, open PicsArt app. Now tap on this plus icon. Now tap on edit photo and select the background. Friends, this is the background. The first step you have to go to add photo and select the circle PNG. Friends, this is a circle. Now arrange one circle on the top like this. Now tap on layers, tap on duplicate and arrange another one in this portion. Again tap on duplicate and arrange another one here. Okay, like this. Perfect. Now tap on add photo and select the model image. Total 3 model images. Okay, these are the 3 model images. Okay, and we have to arrange the background. I already did it. Okay, now arrange this model image here. Tap on move down. Again tap on move down. And now zoom out and arrange perfectly in this portion. The next step, arrange this model perfectly in this portion in the middle. Now tap on this eraser, keep the size like this and erase on the bottom portion like this. You have to erase and tap on restore and draw like this. It is perfect. Now tap on tick. Now arrange this here perfectly. Tap on flip rotate, tap on third one and arrange this one here. Now tap on eraser, again tap on erase and erase on the bottom portion like this. Okay, it is perfect. Now tap on tick mark. The first step is complete. The next step we have to add the sitting position model image. Go to add photo and select the model image. When this is a sitting position model image, I already cut the background because it will take so much of time. So whenever you are doing this editing, you have to erase the backgrounds of your model image. Arrange your model image perfectly in this portion and arrange it like this. Now tap on the shadow, tap on position, keep it 100, keep it 100, tap on adjust, keep it 100, decrease the keep it around 25. Now arrange your model in the center like this. Perfect. Okay, now go to add photo and select the shadow PNG. This is the shadow PNG. Arrange here, tap on layers, tap on move down and simply arrange it like this. Perfect. Now tap on tick mark. The next step you have to add the further PNGs. Go to add photo. Okay, these are the PNGs. I will arrange one by one. Arrange the mic PNG in this portion and this strips PNG you can arrange here for just for attractive purpose and arrange the scan in this portion and arrange this like love PNGs here, like PNG here. It is perfect. Now tap on tick mark. And next step we have to go to tools and give the final touch up. Go to tools, go to adjust, decrease little brightness, increase little contrast, clarity little bit, saturation little bit, decrease little highlights, decrease little shadow and give little temperature. Now tap on tick. In the next step, go to FX, tap on FX and you have to go to vignette tool. This is the final step. Go to vignette and keep it 100 and fade it around 95. Now tap on tick. Friends, finally our special concept photo editing tutorial is complete. This is the before background and this is the final output. Now tap on save. See you next video with new special concept photo editing tutorial.